Alright, so here's my mid-war Marines impression web gear. Um, this is honestly a teaser to future videos, so I guess keep an eye out on that. But yeah, I'm just going to be going over my web gear. So, I'm going to start off with the left. The pouch on the left is pre-67 dated. The pouch on the right is 67 dated. The only difference between the two is one is larger than the other. Honestly though, if you're wearing a flak, you can't really tell. I'd recommend just buying all of one rather than having both for like a really early impression. But honestly, that's up to you guys. But if you're wearing a flak, you really can't tell because the flak kind of covers up to there. But yeah, Canteen. This is a 57 dated Canteen. Really strange considering that they were making 56 at that time. But yeah, 1957. I really don't know why they kept making these. Maybe purely because they had a lot of surplus material. Maybe they were specifically made for the Marines. Because I noticed a lot of Marines. Honestly, the Marines got a lot of surplus. So maybe for their flax or something like that. I'm not too sure. But yeah, there's that. Jungle First Aid. This one's actually 43 dated, so it's a really early one. And to my assumption, it had like a two-tone going on, like the cayenne trim with the green. That whole little two-tone. You could barely see the date on it. I would take the flaps out, or I would open the flaps, but there's really nothing in there. On top of that, it's a real pain in the ass to do. This is like my 5th take, so believe me, it's a real pain in the ass to do. But yeah, I bought it because it was dirt cheap, and I'm really kind of focusing on like really salty gear for the specific impression. For the battle I'm going for, you see a lot of Marines with really dirty, salty gear, and hopefully I can pull off this whole setup. Hopefully it doesn't look funny or anything like that. But yeah, that's the reason why I have a really salty M56 Canteen. This is a first pattern Canteen. Don't know the date, I can't find it. But this is a first pattern because it doesn't have the nylon trim on it. Pretty happy that I got it. And yeah, you can actually see the wear marks for where the Canteen cup used to be. But yeah, nothing special about that thing. Here's 67 dated M41 suspenders. The date's right there, 67. But I got this dirt cheap, and honestly, I believe it's like a size small or something, because I adjusted these straps like all the way, and they like they barely fit like comfortably, like I don't know if they made sizes for these. Like I don't know if there's like a large, medium, or small. I assume though, because this thing's kind of weird. I've never really come across that, but yeah, I adjusted it all the way down, and it's finally like to where like belt length, if that makes sense. But yeah, and also I forgot to mention this was a really common practice with the M41 suspenders, just to keep them in place. A lot of guys would just put a grenade pin in between the two, and what's it called? Shoulder straps? Not shoulder straps, shoulder pads, which I will be getting sometime in the future. But yeah, there's that. Here's the M61 belt. Honestly, these little buttons here hook on to the M61 M14 pouches. But yeah, that's really the only difference. You actually see these belts for a very long time. I believe I've seen one in '69, if I'm not mistaken, and the guy had actually M56 gear on it and so on and so forth. So they had a huge surplus of these. But yeah, here's my W49 Bowie knife. I would take it out again, but this strap is really fragile, and I don't want to rip it. But my uncle sharpened it for me, and it looks really, really nice. So yeah, maybe I'll show it off in a different video, or you guys can check my Instagram, and I posted it on there. But he did a really nice polished job to it, and so on and so forth. But yeah, this is pretty much the web gear, guys. These two pouches are pre-67 dated. That's the only this one's the only 67 dated one. But yeah, so this is pretty much my web gear. I will be getting more stuff, because I'm trying to go for really salty stuff. So I will probably buy another one of these salty. Grenade pouch, salty, you know. And then maybe I'll swap out the M14 pouches for these M56, because for the Pacific battle that I'm going for, they had both. But yeah, I'm just trying to get like really salty stuff just to kind of match the entire loadout, or you know. But yeah, guys, and I guess, you know, the reason why I don't have salty suspenders is because if you think about it, the flak is kind of protecting them from wear. But yeah, that's the reason why I have mid suspenders. But yeah, I guess on a side note, like, I'll go ahead and like show off a teaser, you know. And that honestly probably gives it away. But yeah, guys, this is my I guess mid-war Marines impression video. Hope you guys like it, and I'll see you around.